I had a weird dream last night that my iPhone was talking to me and asking for a VPN. I do make a lot of VPN videos, so I get it. Also, public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground. Geo restrictions are more than mildly annoying, and the biggest data collector is Apple itself. So, in this video, I'm going to review the best VPN for iPhone options. If this isn't clear yet, here's why the best VPN app for iPhone is necessary, okay? First of all, VPN is great for accessing geo-restricted apps. This applies to apps that never debuted in your country and those that were pushed out and those that were just simply banned. Secondly, protection. A VPN is a great way to ensure that nobody can access your device through public Wi-Fi or track your activity through a malicious web page. I also like the whole privacy aspect just by itself, right? It's nice to know that nobody can see what I'm doing online, not even my ISP. Thirdly, with a VPN, I can access foreign streaming services. There are plenty of cool shows that I would have never stumbled upon without a VPN, so it's one of the most important points for me. Plus, a VPN is a great way to circumvent those restrictions if you live in a country that censors the internet. Now, naturally, to satisfy all three conditions, I needed only the best VPN for iPhones, and that's why I'm going to review some of the best picks today. So, NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN. Those three stand out on iOS due to multiple reasons, one of them being ease of use. So my personal favorite here is NordVPN due to the interactive map inside the app, which helps me visualize the distance really well. And that said, I also appreciate all the detailed descriptions that Surfshark app offers for its features. Now, talking about features, Quick Connect is one that all three share. It's a miracle button against indecisiveness. It chooses the fastest available server near me in one click. Comes in handy if all I need is a fast connection. Now, so while connected, a few other common features that help with privacy are DNS and IP leak protection and the kill switch. To spare you the technical jargon, those exist just to ensure that no user data is leaked online. A good no logs policy also helps. Currently, each provider has passed at least one independent audit confirming that they reveal no user data. NordVPN and Surfshark even invested in RAM-only servers to ensure that data can't physically linger on their servers. So if your main focus is security, you can try these providers while just saving on a subscription. Just follow the link in the description or scan one of the QR codes for a discount. The next feature, though, is about blocking ads, trackers, and malicious websites. And even though all three providers have different approaches, they're all equally effective. Whether you use NordVPN's threat protection, Surfshark's clean web, or Proton VPN's net shield, you can expect to see much less visual noise when browsing. As I mentioned earlier, VPNs are awesome for streaming, and these three are a perfect example. With thousands of servers around the globe, I've never had a problem with accessing foreign content. So considering how many of those features there are, I'm pleasantly surprised with how minimal battery impact is for these apps. They run very efficiently to the point that I've forgotten that I have a VPN a few times without any performance drops. But hey, enough generalizations. I'm now going to go through the unique elements of each of the best VPN on iOS. Okay, starting with NordVPN, this is my personal pick for my iPhone, and here's why. First of all, it's been audited a lot of times through the years, so I have no worries about its privacy and security. It's also the only VPN with an anti-phishing certificate, so not just on iOS, but on all platforms. That's thanks to the threat protection feature, which blocks ads, trackers, pop-up banners, and malicious phishing websites. Now, one great feature a lot of people sleep on is MeshNet. So I use it a lot for secure file transfer, since it can create a protected LAN connection with other trusted devices, mine or my colleagues, and Dark Web Monitor. This is also a nice feature that is always on the lookout for any leaked credentials. So if I find my email is mentioned on a dark web marketplace, I can just change my passwords before any harm is done. So with all these features, I also want to highlight just a small, nice iOS widget, which lets me connect to a server or disconnect without even opening the app. My second pick for this video, Surfshark, also has this widget, but it's not the only great thing about it. Surfshark is also a connoisseur of audits, though it hasn't passed as many as NordVPN. Now, it's also one of the few VPNs out there that has unlimited device connections, letting me protect all of my devices simultaneously and share with my friends all in one account. As I mentioned earlier, Surfshark's clean web is how I'm getting rid of ads and trackers and malicious malware on my iPhone. Just like with NordVPN, I have to be connected to a server for clean web to work through. But unlike all the competition, Surfshark has an alternative ID feature. With this one, I can create a fake identity for myself to avoid revealing my persona online. This is a great privacy feature for protecting personal data. Now, in addition to all those things, Surfshark is one of the most affordable VPNs on the market and is also the most affordable on this list. If budget is your concern, feel free to check out the discount links for NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN through the description below. All right, picking it back up with Proton VPN, this provider is one of the few famous for their transparency. So not only has it been audited multiple times, but it's also completely open source, with the company behind it being a big cybersecurity developer. So it's no wonder that Proton VPN offers secure core servers that let me reroute my connection through their special extra secure servers in an extra layer of protection, because an extra layer of protection is never a bad thing. Now, similar to the other two, Proton VPN has a measure against ads, trackers, and other issues, NetShield. And before you ask, yes, on iOS, you still have to be connected to a server for this feature to work. Proton VPN also stands out as the best free VPN for iPhone thanks to its functional free VPN plan. This plan provides all the basic security, but doesn't include most of Proton VPN's features. So in conclusion, what's the best VPN for iPhone? Personally, I consider NordVPN for iPhone to be the best VPN for iOS due to its overall high level of performance and reliability. Surfshark is the second best option that stands out as the most affordable VPN with the unlimited connections. And Proton VPN is the most solid privacy provider on the list thanks to its transparency and special secure core servers. So which one of these VPNs for iPhone do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be back soon with another video. See you then.